a little bit of Latik in the top. So yummy. Hello guys, magluluto tayo ngayon ng sapin-sapin. So I need big bowl, 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of condensed milk, and ubi flavoring for purple, Pandan flavoring for green color, and then I'm gonna use yellow food coloring for yellow. So I'm gonna make three colors layered. So let's get it started with mixing all our ingredients. So we're gonna combine all the ingredients in a big bowl. We're gonna put our glutinous rice, our granulated sugar, condensed milk, coconut milk, then mix lang natin siya until it's well combined. So I am done mixing all of the ingredients except for the coloring. See, there's no more lumps, kaya pwede na to. Real good. This is for now. Kukuha lang ako ng 1 cup for green color. Lagay ko dito sa isang bowl. Then another cup for green. There, the bottom layer is done. Now we can add the other color. I want the yellow in the middle. There you go. Spread lang natin siya evenly. Yan, so that's done. Add the green color. Same process. We are going to spread this evenly. Yeah, this is a really thin layer. This is a really thin layer of sapin-sapin, but you can keep making layers and layers and layers of this if you want, as long as the bottom is done before you add the top layer. Kunin na natin siya, palamigin bago natin i-flip. So, meron akong latik. Kukuha lang ako ng konting oil para rub ko dito on the bottom. So, coconut oil lang ito guys, para hindi siya maging sticky. Yan. So, ready na. Flip na natin to. Yan, na-flip ko na siya. Kukunin ko lang itong wax paper. No, parchment paper. Tapos, lagyan ko ng latik sa taas, sa ibabaw.